Right now, it's 48 at Reunion Tower. It feels like 37. That's our wind chill. It's 49 at Fort Worth. Man, it has really been nice today. The melting has just really been taking place in earnest, and I like that. Look at the 54 in Athens and 53 at Corsicana, 54 in Palestine. Have some 50s down here in Mahia, also Waco, Meridian, Brownwood, Ballinger. Look at Albany and Breckenridge and Haskell, all in the 50s. 49 in Mineral Wells, 46 in Greenville, 46 in McKinney, the cold spot in Denton. It's 40 degrees. And my temperature timeline, this is great news. There are some locations tonight, and you know who you are. You may not drop to 32 degrees, which last time I checked is the freezing mark. So that means that some locations, possibly many locations in North Texas tonight, may not freeze back up, and that's good news. So by midnight, we're at 36 degrees. My low tonight is 32. That's at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So a number of locations, of course, will freeze. And then tomorrow morning, of course, we start at 32 at 7. By 8 o'clock, we're up to 33. Then by 10, we're at 39. 2 p.m., we're at 48. 4 p.m. tomorrow is our high of 53, and by 7, we're still above freezing. So good news. High today was 49. The morning low cold, 23. The normals are 58 and 37. We've been as warm as 85. Outside right now, it's 48 with a southeast wind at 7 miles an hour. Pollen, mountain cedar's back, but it's not high. And it won't be high this weekend because we're going to have a pretty good north wind. Elm today is moderate, and fungus today, that's low. Right now, just a few clouds. I have a few clouds around tonight. There's midnight right there, and some patchy freezing fog by tomorrow morning. It won't be widespread, but if it's just patchy enough in your location, it could put a little quick coat or a glaze of ice on some bridges and overpasses. And then other locations are going to freeze up, and all the water that's out there on the ground right now, that will cause additional problems tomorrow morning. So lows tonight, I do have a bunch of freezing temps, but many locations, especially in the Metroplex, will stay right around or even above freezing. Dallas hits 33, 31 at Fort Worth, but I have some 20s in McKinney and also in Denton. I might bump these numbers up just a tad, but you get the idea. We'll have some 30s out here to the west and to the southwest. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies. That's the Arctic cold front. Now that will move through tomorrow about lunchtime. It moves away, but the Arctic air won't surge in until really Friday late afternoon, certainly into Friday evening. You'll feel it, and by Saturday morning, you're going to go, what in the heck happened? So 32 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, we hit 53. That Arctic front moves through tomorrow, lunchtime. Friday's about 10 degrees cooler. That's my high temperature on Saturday. We start at 19, we warm to 32, we start Sunday at 22, and then we warm up pretty quickly on Sunday to 48. And then we're in the 50s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, and a couple little spotty showers, especially on Wednesday. We could see some showery activity. That's rain. No snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Good news. The final 7 of the 14 days, we stay in the 50s next Thursday and Friday, and then next weekend we're in the 60s, and then 60s are in the forecast the 3 days that follow that. So a big cool down this weekend after the 50s tomorrow. You will feel it. We may not make it above freezing on Saturday, but then we finally warm up as we head through next week.